Welcome back to Town Insider. My name is Rajiv Gowda. The pandemic has changed the way people buy groceries, the way you shop, the way you work, the way you socialize, and the way you get married. Today in this video, we will talk about one of the biggest contributor to the hospitality and travel industry, which has a market of over 5,000 crores and is growing every year. That is weddings. And we will see how the trend of intimate and destinations weddings are changing with time and becoming the new norm. The families of bride and groom planning every detail of wedding has always been the norm. And most of the time it used to be about the social reputation and a status making competition with a huge guest list. As the time progressed, the trend started changing and the couples are becoming more and more involved in planning their own wedding. The new age millennial couples prefer the wedding to be a memorable experience, and hence the demand for exotic location with floral arrangements, appealing evites, simple yet elegant decor that brings out the couple's personalities are in trend. Now the youth is aware of their options and what they want. A typical wedding album with dozens of curated post clicks are getting replaced by natural and artistic photo shoot that captures their love and personalities. COVID-19 has given these couples an opportunity to fulfill their aspiration of such dream wedding. With this transformation, I can say we can replace the word big fat Indian wedding with small is the new big. But whether it is small or big, the pandemic has not affected Indians' love for weddings. The destination wedding concept was only limited to celebrities, rich wealthy families celebrating their wedding in picture-perfect foreign exotic locations, and even in India, the destinations were limited to Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Goa, Mussoorie, etc. But now this concept is extended even to middle class and upper middle class families, and the destinations are more local now. The trend of middle class wedding in a marriage hall, convention centers are being transformed to destination resorts, local farmhouses, and even in a homestay kind of a setup with open lawn infrastructure also. The tradition of wedding in India has changed due to the emergence of nuclear families, migration to urban cities, career-oriented millennials, etc. But the interesting fact is, wherever you live, wherever you work, whatever is your status, most of the middle class and upper middle class host their wedding in their native place where majority of their attendees reside. This brings the demand for wedding planners at smaller towns and rural areas, and the destination wedding venues like resorts, farmhouse, homestays with open lawn, etc. At the same time, the wedding planners and venues should cope up with the changing trend and be equipped to arrange for a memorable experience for the new age couples. In my next video, we will talk about how the smaller town planners and the venues can cope up with this changing trend. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, subscribe to channel, leave your feedback at comment section. This is Rajiv Gowda from Town Insider.